by their sir or miss or madam. And he said, sir, he says, I'm sorry about that. She shouldn't do that. You know, and then he let him go.
Right.
But he said, you know, they hurt me. He says, when I get into a mob, they want to grab my hair, but they're hitting my eye. He said, one time they really scratched the hell out of his eye. And he said, I can't go anywhere.
Yeah, I read when they were doing the New Orleans location, he had to go in through the back of a different building connected with the hotel and walk across on boards to the roof to get to his hotel room. It was so crazy. You know, one of the things about the movie that I really liked, the whole romance thing between you and Paul Stewart, I was hoping they would play that up more.
Well,
what happened with that?
Well, we had 2 more scenes. But you know, the reason Colonel Parker had Elvis do movies was to make records. And they needed 2 more records for an LP. So they had to cut the one song that he sang to the girl, to just Delores, was made after the normal filming. And so there is a scene where Paul asked me to marry him. And he had brass knuckles on, and he put the brass knuckles on my hand. That was my engagement. He was a beautiful actor.
Oh, he's great.
Walter Matthau and Paul Stewart and Carolyn, who I just love.
Carolyn Jones was fantastic in this movie. She was terrific.
She was a personal friend of mine.
Oh, really?
She was married to a friend of mine
Before Aaron Spelling?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And so Carolyn was just, she was born as a blonde.
Yes, in fact, some of her earlier roles where she had small parts, I think in The Big
She
Heat.
was actually born as a blonde, but the minute she had that dark hair, she became quite something, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Pre-Morticia.
Just a darling person.
Yeah. Now, when you made this, was Hal Wallace on the set a lot, or was it just Curtiz and the crew, basically?
Well, there was one person that Michael Curtiz was having a problem with, and which will be nameless.
Oh, come on, dish a little bit.
Okay. But Hal Wallace came down and they had a little talk, and he said, if anyone goes, it's going to be you, Mike. So.
Oh, Hal was the boss.
Yeah. You better
Hal was the boss.
Work with them.
Yeah. There was an interview that Matthau did with Leonard Maltin that he gave me for my book, and Maltin thought that Curtiz was a good teacher, but he said he couldn't remember anybody's name.
Oh.
Elvis was Elvie, and he said I was Valty, and he said
and I was Gene Shepard.
Sheffield, Gene Sheffield. He couldn't. Yeah.
Never.
When he made White Christmas, Bing Crosby was Binky. Matthau said, he said that, Curtiz would say to him, Valty, take it easy. This is an Academy Award scene. The camera will get all of this. Quit acting so broad.
And he also said, you make a lot of money. Pretend you don't make much money.
Pretend you're not a star.
Pretend you're not a star. But he was wonderful to work with because, like I said, he wanted someone else. He didn't even want Elvis. He didn't even know who Elvis was.
Right.
And but he was so pleased.
Oh,
and you could tell. And he didn't give it. Elvis was a hell of an actor. He was a good actor.
Now, Mother Delores said he would go and run his lines at night, and at the top I talked about him going to Wallace about he really wanted to be an actor.
Yes, he did, and he was a fine actor.
Yeah.
And he really didn't give him a lot of direction at all. Any of us, actually, got very little direction. But he was happy with what we did.
Right. Well, that's the mark of good actors.
I have to tell this audience how I met. You want to know how I met Elvis?
Yes.
You want to know?
Absolutely.
Okay. When you do a film, they insure you. So you must go to the studio doctor to have a medical examination. So they told me that I had to go. So I went to the studio and just, just casual, just a shirt and slacks on, and I went, someone was in with the doctor, so I just waited in the lobby. And I heard this kind of joking around, coming in the doorway, and it was Elvis with his friends. And he looked at me and I looked at him, and we started laughing. He had a jacket on that looked like it came from the same bolt of material that my slacks were. It was really funny. I mean, and we started laughing. And he said, honey, either I'm gonna have to give you my jacket, or you're gonna have to give me your pants. And that's how I met Elvis. He was adorable.